Do you wish you could quit teaching and start working from home so you could spend more time with your babies? Are you tired of scouring the internet for legit jobs that will replace your teaching income and that you can do from home in your PJs? Hey mama, welcome to Ditch the Classroom. I know you're over there Googling jobs for teachers, legit work at home jobs, or start a side hustle, yet you can't figure out how to take that first step toward quitting teaching. So instead, you stay stuck, do nothing, or start random side hustles to make quick money. Virtual assistance is the answered prayer you've been waiting for. My name's Ariana, and I'm a former teacher turned work-at-home mom who replaced my teaching income as a virtual assistant in just 6 months. I did this by taking a step of faith and following the dream that God placed on my heart to be home with my babies. Sister, your dreams pale in comparison to God's dreams for you. Imagine offering services that light you up and having a job that works around your life and not the other way around. This is the podcast for you. It's time to take that first step out of teaching. Are you ready? Here we go.
I have had a few people reaching out to me recently, just saying that they're struggling to land new virtual assistant clients. Believe me, every virtual assistant who has built a successful virtual assistant business has been here before. So in today's episode, I want to share with you 3 reasons that you are still not landing new virtual assistant clients. Number 1, the first mistake you might be making is that you're not speaking your ideal client. Maybe you're being too broad in your social media posts. You might need to start doing some market research in different groups that your ideal client is in and ask them, what are you struggling with? What do you need help with? What's holding you back? Then you can tailor your services around that and use the same exact words that they used in their comments. This shows them that you know exactly what they need help with. You're using the same language they would use. That really helps connect with them, and they'll be like, ooh, I need to hire this girl because she knows exactly what I need. Number 2 is that you are not being personal enough when you apply. When you apply to these different virtual assistant positions, I want you to understand that these businesses are the business owner's baby. They have put their all into these businesses, and they want to know that the person that they hire is going to treat their business like it was their own baby. So if you just comment on a virtual assistant job post and say, hey, I'm interested in this, hire me. Well, that doesn't tell your potential client how you can help support them in their business. It doesn't tell them how you can make their life easier. It doesn't tell them how you can help their business grow. So take your time, do a little bit of research, and really try to connect with your potential client and show them that you care when you are applying to these positions. The third reason that you might be having trouble finding new virtual assistant clients is that maybe you're trying the same method that hasn't been working. Let me give you some examples. Are you a podcast manager? What if you started a podcast where you gave podcasting tips? And then people might come there and be like, she gave me a great tip today. I just need to hire her to do this for me because I don't have the time. Okay, podcasts do not take that long to do, you guys. I'm literally laying here right now in my bed recording the whole month's episodes for you, and it's probably going to take me an hour. All right, it doesn't take a ton of time. You can totally do that. What if, also podcast manager, what if you went and found podcasts that you love and you start following and interacting with them on Instagram? Then they come over, see what services you offer, and they're like, ooh, I need her. I'm hiring her. Bam. There you go. Instead of waiting for people to post that they need help, sometimes we have to put ourselves out there first. Let me give you another example. Maybe you're a TikTok manager. What if you post trending sounds and tips on TikTok, and then people come and follow you for all your amazing advice, and they're like, okay, I no longer have the time to do this. I'm going to hire her to do it. Are you an Instagram manager? Go network with businesses and specific hashtags for the niche that you want to work with on Instagram. Then, again, they might come over to your profile, be like, I need her, and hire you. When you're looking for virtual assistant clients, you have to really think about who your ideal client is and what their life looks like. What are they doing every day? Where are they hanging out? What do they need help with? And then you need to make it convenient and show up where they are and then make it an easy yes for them. Okay, so I hope this kind of gave you some ideas to work through, to think about. If you have any questions, as always, you can reach out to me at ariana.vernier on Instagram or in our Facebook community, facebook.com/groups/Ditch the Classroom. Ask me your questions. I'm more than happy to give you feedback. But yeah, I hope you found this podcast episode helpful, and we will see you next time.
Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I'd love to bless you with a free gift as a thank you. All you have to do is leave a review of the show on Apple Podcasts, take a screenshot, and send it to podcast@ditchtheclassroom.com. I'll send you a code so you can snag my Ditch the Classroom toolkit for free. And don't forget to come hang out with us in our free community, facebook.com/groups/Ditch the Classroom. I'm so honored to support you in your journey to becoming a virtual assistant. Until next week, y'all, keep following the dreams that were placed on your heart so you too can ditch the classroom.